everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel. Now I must look a bit harsh because I'm testing out a different product for another video, so my brows are already done. But in today's video we are going to be talking about these little Ucanbe palettes. So you've got like fruit punch, cola berry, pink mojito, my honey and light chocolate. I feel like I do want to use the light chocolate in a look. They all come in like see-through packaging and like different colours. So this is what the light chocolate looks like. Oh, this one is the all matte one, which is good because then I can use this, maybe put like a shimmer over the top from the honey palette. I must admit I just want to do a neutral eye. So this is what the honey palette looks like. Pink mojito. It's very, very nice. They are a bit similar, I must admit that. I got these off at AliExpress and I must admit I waited the longest time for these. So this is berry cola. This one has a little bit more colour to it, but not as much colour as fruit punch. In the end I ended up paying like £20 for all of these, and they're not like, they don't feel too cheaply plasticky. Yeah, this is all mattes but brighter colour palette. But I do want to go for a nude eye. I feel like I've done a lot of pinks, I've done a lot of greens, I've done a lot of blues. So I just want to go for a nice neutral eye. I'm sorry, but I feel like doing my eyebrows first and carving them out with the eye base has made it look really like, I just like it. Wow. I never carve my eyebrows out, never. Just didn't see the point. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. That worked really well. Gonna go in with this shade here in the corner. And there's like no kickback in the pan whatsoever. And I want to add this shade here to the outer, and do we do halo? No, let's just do outer and outer corner. Oh, there is kickback in that colour though. And then we're just going to blend it out with whatever we have left on the last brush. Again, these palettes are working brilliantly. Let's go in with the honey palette. You know what, let's just go in with the brightest yellowy gold shade here. What? It is going on perfectly. These palettes are amazing, absolutely amazing. And these Peaches and Cream PC40 brushes make any shimmer work. And I want to take this shimmery shade here in between those two colours and the edge, just to blend it in but still be shimmery. I'm gobsmacked. I'm absolutely gobsmacked by these. Like, I've got nothing to say, like nothing. Literally nothing. I'm gonna come back once I've done my makeup, but I'm in love. I'm actually in love with this. Everything just worked. Okay, makeup is near enough done. We just need to add an inner corner and brow bone highlight, and I need to find where I put the palette. So we're gonna go in with honey, and we're gonna go in with, ooh, let's go in with this shade down here. If you know me, you know I love a good honey palette. Oh, that is really nice. Okay guys, I am now fully finished. I am wearing Killing It by Doll Beauty on my lips. In the center I have Ziggy by Colourpop. I really like this look. I'm really impressed. As I feel like I'm saying the same things. They blended out like a dream. I've had no issue with them. A little bit of kickback just in that one shade here. It's a lovely colour story. I don't feel like swatching because look, they've worked really well. Yeah, they're all cruelty free. They're not vegan sadly, but they are all cruelty free. I really don't have a bad word to say about it. Like, it did take a little while to get through from, I think they're coming from China, from AliExpress, but the wait was worth it. And if you think about it, it took me about 6 months before I actually did a video on them, but the price was insane. I feel like I spent maybe £20 on it, on all of them, all 5 of them, maybe 25 at the most. Didn't get stung with customs or anything like that. So yeah, nothing came broken, which I thought something might have. I'm just really happy. And my lashes are Addicted by Lit Lash, just to let you know. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.